red flag or green flag, part 2.
Let's do.
Caring a lot about how much you earn. I don't think it is a red flag.
No,
Because
it's not.
we do care about how much we earn. We're trying to
Yeah.
build an empire.
Yeah.
It's not like we're bragging about it or anything.
Well, you have to think about how much you earn.
And plus, a person does need money to survive. Whoever says they don't care is lying.
Buying you clothes in a style they prefer, not yours.
So, example, I buy you clothes that I like for you, and you buy me clothes that you like for me, but not what I like.
Red flag.
Really?
If you have a style you like, I'm gonna buy in your style.
Really?
So why
But I
must you
mean-
buy in a different
But
style?
I mean, if
Come on.
you like something and you buy it for me, I will be happy that you thought of me and bought it for me. Even if it's something you like, I'll be happy. Like, I wouldn't think it's a red flag.
This means that you know that it's not my style. It's a style that you prefer,
like
not
on
mine.
on purpose.
Yeah.
Okay, red flag. Canceling date night because mom asked for dinner last minute.
Yeah,
What
red
would my
flag.
baby do? Yeah, I agree. My baby can't cancel dates with me.
No.
No, I'm just gonna be your wife.
No.